Okay, so good day. We will continue no sa techniques on finding the derivatives. So ngayong class no, I think we can encounter dito no sa plate this topic is for plate number 6. We can encounter dito na we cannot simply use uh, power rule. No, we cannot simply use power rule. So meron na dito class product rule and quotient rule. So, if ever na may problem na gano'n, no, kung pwede maiwasan natin, kung pwede iwasan natin ang product rule, iwasan natin yun, no, kasi medyo complicated. And then also, quotient rule, kung pwede iwasan ang quotient rule, we have to not use quotient rule. Okay, kung kaya siya ng power rule. Okay, so let's go, no? Okay, number 3. Let's say find the derivatives, which is dy over dx. We will just substitute no f of x into y, which is equals to x e to the power of x. Okay, so makikita natin dito class, there are two variables dito, no? Walang problema sa y, no? Dito tayo sa x. Ang x natin isa dito, then the other one dito. So parang x no times x times e to the power of x. So dalawa yung variable dito ng x no. Isa dito x, then the other one is x. So ano ba ang operation? Ano ang operation between this variable x? 'Di ba? Multiplication 'yan. Actually ang x e to the power of x is simply as x times e to the power of x. So, makikita mo class na variable x and variable x, then ang operation between variable x is multiplication. So, we will use product rule. No, we will use product rule. So, ano ba ang product rule? So, ganito siya, no? Then, implicit, of course, derivative of y is dy equals, now, using product rule class, using product rule, kopyahin mo na ang x, then times the derivative of yung isa sa kabila, no, which is e of x. What is the derivative of e of x? We just copy ex kasi e yan, no, and then the derivative of x is dx. So just multiply this one by dx and then yan, no, close. Okay, and then plus vice versa yan, no, copy ex times the derivative of x. Diba? So, the derivative of x is of course dx. Okay, so yun lang, no? Ulitin ko. Okay, so since product ito between variable x, no? X and the other one is x. So, between this variable, ang operation dito is times or multiplication. So, ibig sabihin, we are using product rule to solve the dy over dx. So, ganun lang, no? Kopyahin ang x, yan, and then the derivative of ex. So, since ex, di ba, kopyahin ang ex, then derive mo ang exponent niya, which is x. So, the derivative of x is dx. So, ilagay lang dito dx. And then plus, that is the rules of product rule. Plus, no, kopyahin ang ex, ilagay dito, then i-derive mo ang dx. The derivative of x, i-derive mo ang x, the derivative of x is dx. Ayun. So, tapos na ang derivation. Then, we will simplify. Since we are looking for dy over dx. So, dy, diba, equals, usin natin ito. That is x, ex, dx, tama na, plus ex, dx. So, ano ang common dito, class? We are looking for dy over dx. Ano ang common dito? Ang common dito ay ex, diba? Ex. So, pwede natin i-factor out ang ex, dx. So, dy equals, yan, basta dx class na dito, yan, sa banda dito ang dx, and then let's say lagay ko dito ang ex. Okay, so ano ang naiwan dito, class? Diba, x. Okay, ang naiwan dito is x, yan, then plus of course, ano ang naiwan dito? 1, diba, 1. So counter check natin. dx times x times ex is x ex dx. Tama na? And then dx times 1 dx times ex is ex dx. Okay? So since we are looking for dy over dx, just divide this one by dx. So we can cancel out dx. Yan. Okay, so dy over dx is equals to ex x plus 1. Right? Yeah. Okay, so next example. Ayan, y equals t square times the quantity of 3 plus 1 cube. Y equals t square times 3t plus 1 cube. 1 cube. Okay? So, makikita mo class na gagamitan talaga natin ito ng product rule. Walang problema sa y, variable y, no? Dito tayo sa variable t, dalawa, di ba? May isang t dito, may isang t dito. So, ano ba ang operation between t square and this t? O, di ba? That is multiplication dito. That is t square times the quantity of 3t plus 1 to the power of 3. So we have to use product rule. Okay? So again, using implicit, derivative of y is dy equals copy t square, di ba? Kopyahin, and then times the derivative of this one. I-isolate ko para makita. The derivative of 3t plus 1 cube. How will you derive this one? Di ba exponent yan? Exponent, which is 3 times 1 is 3, di ba? 3, then 3t plus 1, then 3 minus 1 is 2 times what? Times the derivative of this one. Times the derivative of this one. Ano ba yung derivative ng 3t? Ano ang derivative ng 3t plus 1? So, derivative of 3t is 3 dt. Derivative of 1 is 0 plus 0. So, that is actually 3 dt. So, times this one by 3 dt. So, simplifying, okay, we can multiply 3 times 3, that is 9. No, 9 3t plus 1 square dt. Okay, dt. So, ibig sabihin class, ang derivative ng 3t plus 1 cube is 9. Diba? 9 times what? 9 times 3t plus 1 square. Okay, dt. dt. And then I have to close. Then next is plus. Diba? Rules yun ng product rule. And next is yung vice versa man, no? Tapos na natin na derive ito. Kopyahin yan. Kopyahin. And that is 3t plus 1 cube times the derivative of 2 square at t square. Okay, so ano ba yung derivative ng t square? That is 2t, di ba? dt. Okay, tama na. 2 square is 2t dt, di ba? Okay, 2 times 1 is 2, then 2 minus 1 is 1, so 2t, then derivative of t is dt. So, ibig sabihin 2t dt. And then, we have to simplify. We have to simplify. dy is equals to paano ba natin i-simplify yan? Okay, so we can multiply, no? We can multiply this one. Yan, 9 times t square is 9t square, and the follow 3t plus 1 square dt, tama na. And plus, okay, we can multiply 2t, may 1 dyan, that is 2t, no? 2t times 1 is 2t, that is times 3t plus 1 cube dt. Okay, so since we are looking class for dy over dt, okay, so ang common dito dalawa. Ano naman ang common dito? Ang dt, di ba? At saka 3t plus 1 squared, 3t plus 1. Yan ang common. So, i-factor out natin yan. So, mangyari, dy is equals to, yan. Okay, so factor out. Tabas natin yan, 3t plus 1. Ano ang exponent niya? Diba? Ang exponent ng 3t plus 1 ay 3 and 2. So, pag mag-factor out tayo, ang pinaka-lowest dapat sa labas. So, ang lowest dyan is 2. Okay, then times, may isang common which is dt. And then, anong naiwan dito, class? 9t square. Napalo. And then, plus 2t. Oh, sorry. Okay, ang naiwan dito ay 9t square. Then, the other one plus 2t. Okay, so meron pa tayong ano? Meron pa tayong kasi 3 man yan, di ba? Dalawang nilabas natin, may 1 pa na, may isa pa na iwan diyan, no? 3t plus 1 and 3t plus 3t plus 1. Okay, or exponent 1. Yan. So, counter check. Dapat ito 2, no? 2 yan. Okay, so counter check. Okay, 3t plus 1 square times 90 square. That is 90 square, 3t plus 1 square. May dt, no? Times dt. Then plus, okay, plus, no? Okay, so 2t times 1 is 2t. 3t plus 1 exponent 1 plus times 3t plus 1 exponent 2. That is 3t plus 1 cube. Tama na? And then, so since we are looking, class, for dy over dt, just divide this one by dt, both side by dt. So we can cancel out dt. Oops. We can cancel out dt. Yan. So dy over dt is equals to, okay, unahin ko na lang ito. This is 3t plus 1 square, okay, times what? Okay, 9, di ba? 90 square. So, pwede natin pasok ang 2 dito, distribute. That is 60 square, di ba? 2 times 3 is 60 times t is t square plus 2t. Then, then simplify again kasi merong like terms, dalawa, no? T square, dalawa. So, dy over dt is equals to 3t plus 1 square times, calculate like terms, 9 plus 6, that is 15 t square plus 2t, then close. So, yan ang, pwede na, no? Yan ang dy over dt natin. Next. This one. Okay, so, again, y equals t square plus 3 e to the power of t. So, ang variables natin dito, class, diba? Sana, okay, ito y, wala tayong problema. Dito tayo nagka-problema sa t, no? Isang t square dito, then the other variable t nandito. So, ano ang operation between this one? That is multiplication dito, no? Times yan. So, we have to use product rule. Right? Okay, so, product rule, by implicit, derivative of y is dy. Kopya ang t square, di ba? Plus 3 times the derivative of et. Ano ba ang derivative ng et? Kopya et, then derivative of t. Okay, derivative of ito, di ba? dt yan, then times mo lang ng dt. Yan. Okay, plus, rules yun ng product rule. Copy et, then the other side. Ano ang derivative ng t square? Plus 3. Okay. T square. How much? That is 2t dt, di ba? Plus derivative of 3, 0. So, mangyari, that is actually 2t dt. So, multiply this one. The derivative of t square plus 3 is 2t dt. So, okay. We can factor out common. Ayusin natin, no? Ayusin natin muna. dy is equals to t square plus 3 et dt plus et 2t dt, and then okay na. So there are two common dito, dt, no? dt at saka et dt, no? Et and dt. So we can factor out dy times, and factor out natin ang et dt. So ang naiwan dito, class, is t square plus 3, close, and plus, ano ang naiwan dito? Yung 2t, ang 2t, di ba? So counter check, et dt times t square plus 3 is this one, tama na. Et dt times 2t is et 2t dt. Okay, so since we are looking for dy over dt, we have to divide this one by dt. So then cancel out. Dy over dt is equals to, unahin ko ang et, times, okay, tanggalin na natin ang parenthesis, wala namang like terms, di ba? Unahin ko muna ang 2t, then plus 3, pareho lang yan, i-arrange na. Okay, yan, ito na, next. Alright, ito, y, no? Y equals x square plus 3 over x. So makikita mo, class, na ang okay lang ang y, no? So pero ang x, and the operation between these two x is division. So we have to use quotient rule, no? We have to use quotient rule. So ano ba ang quotient rule? Ganito ang makinig. Derivative of y is dy. Lagyan mo agad ng var. Then i-square mo ang denominator sa baba. Okay. Then kopya mo siya sa taas. And then derive mo ang ito. Follow? Derivative of x square is 2x dx. Diba? And then close. Minus. Kopya mo ang 3. Tama na. Kopya ang 3. Then the derivative of what? Wait lang, copy x square. And then copy 3. Mali. Sorry. Oops, sorry, no? Mali yan. Okay, ganito, no? Okay, so yan, no? Y equals x square plus 3 over x. Yan. So the operation between these two x is division. So we have to use quotient rule. So ano bang quotient rule? So ganito yan siya, no? Derivative of y using implicit is dy equals, dalawa man ito, no? Etong term at saka yung ayan, up and down. So copy, derivative of y is dy equals, lagyan ng bar, i-square mo ang sa baba, so that is x square, and then copy sa dito sa taas, times the derivative of, ano ba yung ups niya? X square plus 3. Ano ba ang derivative ng x square plus 3? Diba? The derivative of x square is 2x dx. Derivative of 3 is 0. This will be 2x dx. Okay, so 2x dx. Yeah. Minus. Rules yun ng quotient, na. Okay. Copy yung sa taas. Anong sa taas? X square, no? X square plus 3. Then the derivative of sa baba, which is x, diba? That is dx. Okay, so yan, tapos na tayo sa derivative. Then simplify lang, no? Dy is equals to, okay, x square, and then how much is this one? Oops, palitan ko ng red, ha? How much is this one? That is 2x times x is 2x square dx minus, i-distribute negative sign, wag mo na, no? Ganyan mo na, x square plus 3 dx. Yan. Ano ba yung common dito, class? Ang common dito ay dx. So, we can factor out dx. Okay? So, dy is equals to, yan, x square. And then, common ang dx. So, ang naman dito ay 2x square minus x square plus 3. Alright? Yan, no? Counter check natin. Dx times 2x square is 2x square dx. Dx times this one is ito siya. So, since we are looking for dy over dx, we will divide this one by dx. By dx. Okay, cancel out. Yan. And then, our dy, our dy over dx is equals to, okay, and then sa baba, ano lang, no, ang steps natin, okay, 2x square, di ba? We will remove parentheses. So, negative times x square is negative x square. Negative times 3 is negative 3. Okay, so, simplifying, collect like terms, may like terms ba? Meron, no? Anong like terms dito, class? Ito ang like terms. Di ba? X square, x square. So, dy over dx is equals to x square. 2x square minus x is x square, di ba? Minus 3. Okay? Or gusto mo mag-exhibition, this will be equals to dy over dx. Okay, expand natin. Minus, di ba? Ano ang kanyang denominator? Both, no? X square. And then x square and 3. Tama na? And then again, simplifying. Gusto ko mag-exhibition, no? Dy over dx is equals to x square divided by x square is 1 and minus 3 over x square. Pwede na. Or 1 minus 3x lagay sa taas. Yan. Okay? So, using quotient rule, no? Kung pwede din naman using using power rule, we'll try, no? Ano ba ang given equation? Ang given equation, class, is y equals x and then ano sa taas? X square plus 3. X square plus 3. Okay. So, if pwede natin maiwasan ang quotient rule, iiwasan natin ang quotient rule, no? So, paano? Again, no? Hindi muna tayo mag-derive. I-expand natin muna. Equal. So, i-expand. Di ba? I will expand. Oh, di ba? Combine yan, expand. So, lagyan mo plus, then yan. Ano ang kanyang denominator? Both x, no? So, dito x square, then dito, of course, 3. Di pa tayo nag-derive. So, y is equals to x square divided by x is x. Tama na? Plus 3 over x. Okay. So, using power rule, diba dapat power rule kasi dapat ang lahat ng variable na sa taas. Okay? Plus 3 may reciprocal. And then power rule, derivative of y is dy. Derivative of x is dx. Plus, diba? Oh, derivative of this one, that is negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. And x, negative 1 minus 1, negative 2. Then derivative of x is dx. Okay. So, simplifying. Ayusin natin, no? dy is equals to 2x. Dx. Negative, positive times negative, negative 3x, negative 2, dx. So, common ang dx plus, no? Common. So, factor out. dy equals, so factor out dx. Anong naiwan dito? Of course, 1 minus 3x squared. Okay, so divide this one by dx. Counter check natin, no? Dx times 1 is dx. Dx times 3x squared is 3x squared. 3x negative square. Negative 2, no? Yeah, may negative pala. And then we can cancel out, no? Yan. Our dy over dx is equals to 1 minus 3x negative 2. So, they are just the same. Diba? They are just the same. Okay, cool. So, again, kung kaya maiwasan ang quotient rule, iwasan natin ang quotient rule. Next, example. Meron pa ba isa? Okay. Previous. Yan. Okay, f of z. So, y equals square root of z e negative z. So, naka-radical plus, no? I-convert natin to exponential muna bago tayo mag-derive. 1/2 e negative z. So, since the operation between variable z, ito, then the other one z is this one, that is times, so you have to use product rule. Okay? Alright? So, derivative of y is dy. O, paano ba? O, kopyahin, no? Using product rule. Kopyahin yan. Then, times the derivative of e negative z. Kopyahin ang e negative z. And then, derive mo lang ang exponent nito. How will you derive? That is negative dz. Diba? So, times negative dz. Then, close. Plus, copy e negative z times the derivative of this one. 1/2. 1/2 times 1 is 1/2. Then, z 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. Then derivative of z is dz. Okay. Sorry, bakit ito? Parang dz. So, ano ba yung common dyan? Ayusin natin muna, no? Para makita. Okay, so dy is equals to negative, no? Negative times, and that is negative what? Negative z 1/2 e negative z and dz. Okay, plus unahin ko muna, may 1/2, no? 1/2 z negative 1/2 ano pa? E negative z dz. Yan. So, ano ang common dito, class? Ang common ay ito, no? Dalawa. So, factor out. Factor out. Okay, so dy equals factor out e negative z, no? Then dz. Yan. So, anong naiwan dito is negative z 1/2 plus 1/2 z negative 1/2. Okay? Alright. So, since we are looking for dz, dy over dz, we have to divide this one by dz. Divide the whole by dz. So, we can cancel out dz. So, your equation will be sana dy over dz is equals to, okay, unahin natin muna ito, times, gusto ko muna positive, no? Positive kasi negative ito dapat ang unahin natin, no? So 1/2 or simply diba, z negative 1/2 and minus z 1/2. Okay, so pwede na. Yan. Okay. Next. Yan. Alright, so diba, f of t, substitute as y, then t a 5 minus 2t. So, ano ba ang operation dito, class? Anong operation between variable t? Of course, times, ano? So, we have to use product rule. So, pag product rule, derivative of y is dy, copy t. And then, of course, kopyahin ang e, at saka yung kanyang exponent. Then, after that, you derive the exponent. Ano ang derivative ng 5 minus 2t? Derivative of 5 is 0 minus derivative of derivative of 2t is 2 dt. So, ibig sabihin, that is 2 negative 2 dt. So, multiply this one by negative 2 dt. Okay? Close mo. Ayan. And then, plus no rules ng product rule. Kopya ang a5 negative 2t, then the derivative of t is dt. Ayan. Tapos ang derivation, ayusin lang natin muna. Dy is equals to, so diba, this one is negative 2 times t is negative 2t. Ayan. Okay, kahit tanggalin na yan. E5 minus 2t dt, tama na, plus E5 2t dt. So, there are two commons dito. Ano naman? Ano naman ang common? Of course, dt, dt, and yan, yan. So, we can factor out. So, dy is equals to, yan, factor out natin. So, E5 negative 2t dt. Anong naiwan dito, class? Ano naiwan dito? Okay, negative 2t, no? And plus 1. Diba? Counter check. This one times ito. Ito ang kanyang outcomes. Ito times 1 is this one. Okay, so since we are looking for dy over dt, yeah, divide this one by dt. So we can cancel out. Yeah. Okay. So our dy over dt is equals to, unahin ko muna ito, class, no? E5, pareho lang, no? Unahin yan. And then unahin ko ang positive 1. Yan. Then after that, negative 2 o minus 2 lang. Pareho lang. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so thank you for watching. This is actually class for your date number 6.